All right, so here we are. We're Boxtown team.
Yes, sir.
Is that what it is? Boxtown team. So I'm in search of the infamous caulking gun holster. You got a holster that holds all kinds of things. So
Yeah.
show us what it does.
You put your caulking gun holster right there.
There you go.
Really slide it inside there and get your painter's tape. If you're needing to put it right there, easy get into there. You can essentially actually have them both inside there if you need it in place. But you can also take it out and then use it for your drill gun. Locks it in. It's not going anywhere. Use it for the staple gun as well, nail gun. But you can also hold it in a different place as well. Easy access to get it out. So you have those spray guns too, right? That
Yes,
spray
I
gun
do.
would go right to there too. If you're up on that ladder and you're using that sprayer, you can set it right inside there. The opening allows that cord to go right inside there. And just imagine that's the cord. You would take it, pull it right out, and you go back into there, place to put it onto there. This also mounts onto the ladders, extension ladders. Go to your buckets for attaching the paint rollers to.
So caulking gun holster, I don't know. I think I might have found something I like.
And it works at all of them.
I've been searching for a caulking gun holster for years. Anything else? What does this do right here?
This right here, say like you have your tool belt. Let me put
Is
it
that
out.
part of this whole?
Yep. This
Okay.
comes with this belt clip that's inside there.
Okay.
Yeah, belt clip. You can also use it for attaching your speed square, measuring tape in there. Anything with a clip slides right into there. You take it to your holster. You put that on. You can extend that holster down right at hand level. Take it to your work van for organization. Take it right off. But now you can lock it in. So when you're moving, this doesn't come off. And then you pull it up to take it off. So organization as well as part of the product. This is the tool cup. So you can swap that out. Go to the holster to the cup. You got your 5-in-1, sticks on there. You can see how it feels. Very strong. Just double magnet so it keeps your tools inside there. And it's angled so you can properly put it where you need it.
It looks like you got a brush holder or something like that that'll attach.
Yeah, this
to
is
it.
our paint edger, which I know painters, they know how to edge all day, right? The two reasons that you would take this item is for one is to teach your new guys how to cut in with this product, because when you're not using it to teach in, it can also be a hard case cover for your 2-inch brushes. It covers around, you want to see how it feels? Flattens your bristles down, so you have bristles that get frayed out. You put water on it, let it sit overnight, it pushes them back down, performs them. And what that does is flattens them out so you get a nice crisp cut line if you got to do something that is like etching work or whatnot, especially on trim.
So what does this do right here?
That crank is so that you can get it even more precision. So if you had it down, it made it even more sharper. It cranks it and then makes that line even better. And it works universally for any 2-inch brush. Of course, it's better for sash brush, but it works on a flat end. And then when you're not using it, just push it up all the way with your thumb, and then use for storage.
Cutting Edge Pro right there. Cool.
So,
You got anything else to show us?
you do a lot of ladder stuff.
Yeah, oh, look at this. So check this out. So this is this?
But you can use it up to 4 paint cans. This is right here. You can see how the third one will be right there. If you got to pack this like from your work truck up until the building and you don't have a cart, this is where it can come in handy. And you can also use it for your ladders. I don't have a ladder here to demo with it, but it stays attached, so when you set your paint can down, they won't come off.
Is this the same thing that you carry the ladder with that I saw several years ago? This is the exact device?
Yep. And we're in over 4,000 Ace Hardware stores across the United States with this product. It's in the ladder section on most of them.
Because this is the part that the ladder sets into right
Correct.
here, right? I've never seen that before.
I don't think, maybe I didn't do the cans back then, but
I don't think you did.
I probably demoed the ladder a lot more. But yeah, we get more uses for the paint cans than the ladder, so it kind of appeals to whatever crowd that you're in. And then take it to extension ladders and that. And I see that you're on roofs a lot. The ladder lockjaw secures your product.
I actually have one of those.
We represent them. They're out of Australia, and we have them under our product brand.
And what does it do?
This right here bites down to the extension ladder like this, and then you adjust it depending on your aluminum ladder, fiberglass. Works in all of them, telescoping. So when you're up there, it just bites down. So if it was like this, it would just bite like that and hold your ladder in place.
Oh, I saw it'll hold it to like a gutter.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Only attached to the gutters.
Right,
For now.
attached to gutters. So any of these other products, can people find them anywhere?
Yes. You
Where
can
can
get
we
a
find
lot
them?
of these at Ace Hardware. This over there in the ladder section.
Ace
We are just
Hardware.
releasing these, so they're on Amazon. These are what we're showing here, the new invention, the belt clip.
Caulking gun holster, where can I find it?
Amazon for right now.
Amazon.